Have you ever wanted that perfect green screen effect, but without, the actual green screen? Well, today, we're going to dive into an incredible AI tool that does just that. It instantly transforms your video backgrounds, and it's pretty mind-blowing.
I mean, we've all been there, right? You've got this amazing idea for a video, but your background is just a total mess. Or maybe you're trying to look super professional for a work call, but you're just in your living room. That creative energy just vanishes when you have to fight with your surroundings.
Okay, so the old school solution was a physical green screen, right? But oh man, that comes with a whole list of headaches. First, you need a ton of space. Then, the lighting has to be just right to avoid any weird shadows. It can get seriously expensive with all the stands and lights, and honestly, just setting the whole thing up can take forever.
But what if? What if you could just skip all of that? Imagine getting that perfect, clean green screen look, but with zero hassle, no equipment, and none of the cost.
Well, guess what? Now you actually can. This is where AI comes in to save the day. It uses some seriously powerful algorithms to do all the heavy lifting for you completely digitally. You don't need a physical screen at all. You just get that professional result instantly right from your web browser. It's awesome.
All right, so you're probably wondering, how does this digital magic actually work? Let's break down the process, and trust me, it's way simpler than you'd think.
Okay, it's literally just 5 simple steps. First, you upload your video. Then the AI gets to work. It uses this really cool technique to figure out what's the main subject, the person, and what's the background. Step 3, it just cleanly removes that original background. Poof, it's gone. Then it applies a perfect, crisp green screen, and finally, you just hit download on your brand new ready-to-use video clip. Seriously, that's it.
And you don't have to worry about compatibility either. It supports all the big ones you'd expect: MP4, MOV, WEBM, and yeah, even GIFs. So pretty much whatever video file you have, this tool is ready to handle it.
Okay, so this kind of tech really just unlocks a whole new world of creative possibilities. So who's this actually for? Honestly, it's for pretty much anyone who creates video content. I mean, the range of people who can get something out of this is just massive. For professional video editors, it's a total game changer, a huge time saver. But it also lets YouTubers and TikTokers totally level up their content, It lets them compete on pure creativity, not just on who has the bigger budget. And think about it, teachers can make their lessons way more engaging, and remote workers can look sharp and professional for every single meeting.
Really, what we're looking at here is the future of making videos. A future where getting professional-looking results is super simple and accessible to everyone.
So here's the bottom line, the crucial point. The barrier to making professional-looking videos, it's been completely shattered. You don't need all that expensive gear anymore. You don't need to be a tech wizard. All you need is a video file and an internet connection, and you can create something that looks totally polished and high-end. And here's the best part. You can try it out for yourself with zero commitment. The free plan lets you work with videos up to 20 seconds long. That's more than enough time to see the magic happen and test it out on a short clip or even a GIF. So, at the end of the day, this tech isn't just about changing your background. It's about changing what's possible, right? It completely removes the limits of your physical space, so it leaves you with just one question. If your background can be literally anything you can imagine, what story are you going to tell?